I have learned in Unit 5. So, Unit 5 is all about designing and development of self-projected instructional materials. So, it talks about designing effective projected materials. So, in designing effective projected materials, we need to minimize the words for the viewers or the audience will easy to read. Use bullet point of information just like what I did here. So, use pictures, clip art, and graphs and break the content. So, this break the content if your topic is too large to be in the one slide, so you need to break the content to another slide. Another is illustration, audio, video, graphics, and photographs need a purpose. So in putting all of these, you need to have first the video or the audio which is connect to your topic or relate to the topic so that it will aid the audience. So another, use the correct image size. So here are the correct image size: 72 ppi, 350 ppi if need to print, 150 ppi if black and white. So take into account the presentation location. So in making a slide, you need to consider the condition of the room. So you need to make a slide which is fit to the condition of the room. Using text. So in using text of the slide, there are many suggestions. Like this, follow the rule of 6. So, rule of 6, it means that in one slide, you have to have 6 lines. And in one line, you need to have 6 words. That is rule of 6. Keep the syntax simple. It means to say that you need to have your word in the slide to be simple for the viewers to be easily understand your slide. Another thing is choose color wisely. In choosing the color wisely, you need to consider first, which is the vice versa. If the background is dark, the letters you need to have a light color. Just like what I did, black and yellow. Yellow is the light color and black is the dark color of the background. Another thing, there are letters to be avoided. So read letters is avoided for the dark background. So as you have said, it is unreadable, especially if it is projected. That's why it is avoided. So another thing is text size. So the titles, the size of the titles 28 to 48, the size of the body 24 to 32, and the subheadings is 20. Typeface. So in the fonts of the slide, so we need to have a sans serif and avoid serif fonts, which is Times New Roman. So Times New Roman is to be avoided because according to the research studies, Arial is the most readable, or sans serif fonts is the most readable one. So italics. So accordingly, if the italic words is being projected, it is difficult to read with the audience. So that's why we need to avoid italic words in projected materials. Uppercase and lowercase. If your slides become all uppercase and all lowercase, it is difficult to read by the audience. That's why we need to combine uppercase and lowercase for the best result. So there is a special effects of making a slide, like sound effects. So sound effects, and having applying a sound effects on the slide, you need first to consider what is fit to your content, because if you put some sound effects that is not fit to your content, so it is very laughable and it should be avoided. So another thing is reveals and translation. So in the software, there are many options to have effects and translation of your slide to make your slide exciting. Another thing is background templates. So as you have observed in my slide, I use only the very simple background contents, which is the blue one, because I love it, because it is very readable and very clear to the audience. So that's all. Thank you.